it, Anaya?
मम्मा ये तो इतनी डिलीशियस आ गई है, मैं क्या करूँ, खाऊं या ना? चलो खा लेते हैं, मम्मा ने बनाई है। I wanna eat Domino's garlic bread because it's the yummiest thing in the whole wide world. But what are the things to make it? So for making Domino's garlic bread, you need 2 cups of maida all-purpose flour and 1 egg, 3 tablespoons of sugar, tablespoons of powdered milk, tablespoons of salt or according to your taste, 100 ml of warm water, and I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of sugar, and I'm gonna add salt half tablespoon. Yeast 11 gram, and then I'm gonna cover it as fast as I can. 1 whole packet. I forgot to tell you. I mix well, fast. Then I cover it well. I'm gonna cover it when it's mixed properly, and set it aside. Leave it till 5 to 10 minutes until it gets double. We're gonna prepare our dough. So now let's crack the egg that's empty from this. And now we are gonna add a mixture. It was on 100 and 200. It's double. See guys, you need to wait. Patience sometimes. We need this to get it all the way out. Let's mix it properly. A spatula will be much better. Why is I have 1 cup of warm milk. I'm not gonna use it all. I'm gonna see how much I need for knitting the dough. I'm gonna add it slowly. Do we need that much? I think that's much we need. Looks cheesy. The dough looks cheesy. Let me mix it. Now we are gonna add 1 tablespoon of oil. Sorry about the noise in the background because our neighbors are working on their house. And it's pretty flexible, you know. And now we are gonna apply some oil on it and cover it. Yeah. And I'm gonna cover it. I'll open this up. Got it. Please, somebody. And now let's leave it at a warm place for 1 to 2 hours. Our dough is ready and it's almost tripled. Look at the dough, it looks delicious, but first we need to bake it as usual, you know. So let's add our cheddar cheese and the other thing. Mozzarella cheese and cheddar cheese, half. 5 tablespoons of butter and half tablespoon of garlic, and we are gonna mix them together. And mix them well. A little bit of parsley. Now let's put our garlic butter on. Put cheddar cheese and mozzarella cheese both. Little bit of flakes. Now turn it like this. Again, put the garlic butter on with a brush. Red chili flakes, and after that garlic powder. Adding garlic powder. Let's apply the cuts. We are gonna put this in the oven, and you can see the baking time down below. And now we are gonna add some garlic. Mama, thank you, I've got you. मैं अपने fork ले लेती हूँ. Mama, मैं try कर लूँ?
Yes, of course, it's for you.
ठीक है, एक ले लेते हैं हम इसमें से. एक part ले लेंगे. बहुत मजेदार. आप लोग भी जरूर ट्राई करें. माशाल्लाह बहुत मजेदार है. Like, share, comment, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss a video.